A Decatur-based manufacturer is taking the next step into electric vehicle industry.
That's right. WAND Doug Wolfe reports demolition underway at a local facility to make room for a new plant, electric vehicle compressor production plant, in fact.
TCCI demolishing its current facility on 22nd Street in Decatur and replacing it with its new electric vehicle innovation hub.
A $45 million public-private partnership in Illinois.
TCCI will produce commercial electric vehicle compressors for one of the first made-in-America electric compressor manufacturing facilities, according to company president Richard Demolishing.
Electric Vehicle Component Manufacturing Center, a Climate Center for Innovation and Research, and an EV and Energy Workforce Training Academy.
The training academy will be in conjunction with Richland Community College in Decatur, an idea praised by Governor Pritzker on hand for the facility's official groundbreaking.
To provide an incredible training ground for high-wage, skilled jobs that open doors for workers and for their families.
Congresswoman Nikki Budzinski praising the company for its efforts here in Decatur.
Workforce development is something I care very deeply about. So all that's happening at TCCI in partnership with Richland to get people trained into good paying jobs in the new industries of the clean energy industry, EV industry, is really exciting.
By building the new facility in Decatur, TCCI will be retaining more than 100 local jobs. In Decatur, Doug Wolfe, WAND News.
Production of the new electric vehicle compressors is expected to start in the fourth quarter of 2024.